The following video was a request. Before I start the video, I'd like to thank you all for 100 subscribers. This means so much to me. If you guys haven't noticed yet, I also have a gaming YouTube channel where I make some cool gameplay videos. The link to my gaming channel will be in the description below. Anyways, let's get started with the video.
Alright Dora, your jail time is up. You can go back home now, but if you do any more crimes, you'll end up back here. Understand?
Yes, I understand. And it's about time I finally leave this jail cell. Man, I'm so glad that I'm back in my room with my annoying abusive parents. This is so unfair that I got a punishment day, all because I stabbed Jeremy the Go animator. I would like to get another revenge, but I don't want to end up back in jail again.
Dora, come downstairs now, we need to tell you something.
Ugh, fine.
Dora, me and your dad are gonna go out to get some food and do some shopping. Your Abuela is gonna stay here so you don't misbehave.
Ugh, why can't you bring her with you guys? I don't want to be home alone with her.
Well, we could bring her with us, but your Abuela is still afraid to go out in public because you exposed her as Fat Abuela on YouTube. I don't want to have to deal with that. So, me and your dad are about to leave now. Oh, and if you even misbehave or do something bad, then it will be punishment day. Understand?
Ugh, yes, I understand.
Good. Now we will be leaving now.
Okay Dora, I don't want you to bother me while I watch my show. Go to your room or you're grounded.
Ugh, fine. Ugh, I can't believe my parents left me home alone with the fatty. I really should get rid of my Abuela for good, so I don't have to deal with her anymore. Oh wait. I know how I can get rid of my Abuela. Since I don't have a weapon, I can just find a wild animal, like a wolf, that'll attack her and possibly kill her. Ha 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 ha. But let me look on Google of how to tame a wolf, so the wolf won't attack me and I will obey my orders. Wow, I can tame a wolf by feeding them raw meat. My parents probably have some raw meat in the fridge, so I can just steal it and leave the house before Abuela sees me. Time to go get the raw meat in the fridge. I got the raw meat. Now time to go find a wolf in the forest. Huh, I don't see any wolves around here. Maybe I gotta keep going farther until I see one. Ugh, I don't see any wolves here. I need to keep looking for one, or else I can't get rid of my Abuela. Wait a second, what's that over there that's coming towards me? Yes. I found a wolf. Now time to tame him by giving him this raw meat. Yay! It worked. Hello wolf, I'm Dora. I would like you to do me a favor. My Abuela is so annoying that I would like to get rid of her. I would like you to attack her and kill her. If you help me out, I'll be sure to give you all the meat that you would like. Let's go give my Abuela what she deserves. Alright wolf, here we are. Time to get rid of my Abuela for good.
Oh my freaking god Dora, where have you been? And Mr. Oil since you the house that you brought in it.
Well Abuela, I was mad that you had to stay in the house with me, and told me to go to my room. So, I decided to get revenge on you and bring a wolf here to attack you.
Oh my god, Dora, how did you even get the wolf to follow you instead of attacking you?
Well, I used Rami to tame it, so it would follow me, but anyways, I'm going to get rid of you by making the wolf to attack you and hopefully kill you. It's time to die, fatty. Wolf, attacker. Yay! I've got rid of my Abuela. Thanks a lot, Wolf. Oh no! My parents are back home. I'm so screwed. Wolf, please go attack my parents as well.
Oh my god, Miguel, why is there a white wolf in the house? Get out you again before it attacks us.
The wolf is there now. Let's go inside to see what else happened in there.
Oh my god, Soledad is dead. The wolf must have done this.
How did the wolf even get in here in the first place?
Wait a minute, Dora was also in the house as well with Soledad. I bet she had something to do with this. Dora, get down here right now. You have a lot of explaining to do.
What is it, Mom?
Why was there a wolf in the house, and how did Soledad get killed? Tell us the truth right now or else you will be killed.
Well, I was mad that you guys left me home with her, so I decided to get rid of her, and by doing that, I had the idea to go find a wolf in the forest. I took raw meat out of the fridge, so I can tame the wolf so it wouldn't attack me and obey my orders. After I tamed the wolf, I lead him to the house and had him attack Abuela. So, the wolf mauled Abuela and killed her. So I wouldn't have to deal with the fatty anymore. I am so sorry for what I've done. I never should have done this in the first place. Please don't ground me or punish me.
This is one of the best things you have ever done. That's a case so grounded for 9, 2, 8, 8, 9, 7, 3, 7, 3, 2, 1, 8, 9, years. Also, today is punishment day. Now let's get started with the punishments.
Oh no. Please, not another punishment day.
Yes, another punishment day. Now let's get on with the punishments.
First punishment, listening to scary sound effects. I will play the scary sound effects now.
That was so scary. I'm so traumatized for life.
Good. Second punishment, watching scary videos.
Why scary videos?
Because that was part of the request. So we're gonna do everything the request says. I will play the scary videos now.
That was so scary. The scary videos also had jump scares. I'm so traumatized.
Nobody gives a crap, Dora. Now let's continue the punishment day.
Third punishment, eating a bowl of hot sauce. Drink it right now or there will be additional punishments.
Oh, my burn is burning. It's so hot, hot, hot. Someone help!
Fourth punishment, taking a very, 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 very good bath. Now get in there, you stupid piece of crap.
Oh, the water is so cold, 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 cold. I'm freezing to death.
Fifth punishment, drinking expired milk. Now drink it up.
That was so disgusting. I want to die.
Sixth punishment, throwing you down the stairs.
Ouch, 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 ouch. That hurts so bad. I think my bones are broken.
Seventh punishment, spanking you with a rope.
Oh no, 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 no. Please don't spank me.
Eighth and final punishment, sending you to a haunted house with wolves, where you will be killed. I will use Go-Animate logic to teleport you there.
Oh no. I'm at a haunted house. I'd better get out of here before I die. Holy crap, death is coming after me and a bunch of scary wolves.